Welcome guys. So this is a good set of selection. This is exact replica of a CAT question. Let's see this. In the data given below, table 1 indicates the number of trees planted by 6 friends on 3 days, day 1, day 2 and day 3. So clearly everything is there, nothing is missing. Table 2 shows the number of trees of each of 6 types planted on these 3 days. Now we have a different type of trees and the number of trees that are planted on different days are also given. Now what is the information that we have? On any given day, each of them planted only one type of the tree. Okay, so a particular person will just plant one type of the tree. Now second information, from among Ashish, Dinesh and Farhan, exactly 2 people planted the same type of trees on day 2 and day 3 as they planted on day 1. So it means that out of these 3 friends, that is A, D and F, there would be exactly 2 people who will plant the same type of tree on all the 3 days. Okay, now the third point says the person who planted exactly one orange tree on day 3 had also planted orange trees on each of the first 2 days. Okay, Dinesh did not plant a banana tree on day 2. So this is a static information. Fine. So now to start with, what do we need to find exactly? If you look into the questions, we have to find on which particular day, which particular person planted how many number of trees. Now let's start with the static information that Dinesh did not plant a banana tree on day 2. So on day 2, I'll not have Dinesh over here, right? Now in such questions, a little bit of observation is required. So when I look into this table 1, day 1, I can see that Ashish is the person planting 4 trees. Also again on table 2, when I see day 1, I see that there is just one tree, that is coconut, which is being planted, or 4 number of coconut trees are being planted. So this is definitely Ashish, right? So this is definitely Ashish. Why? Because a person can plant only one type of tree. Now similarly, I can see that Dinesh over here in table 1 plants just one tree, and in table 2 I can see that mango, which is just one, then it would definitely be planted by. Now going by the same logic, Ashish would plant a coconut tree again on day 2, and also if I look into day 3, I can see that Chetan has planted 4 trees. Now where could Chetan come? Chetan cannot come anywhere over here, right? Chetan has to come over here, and Chetan would be planting 4 trees. Now we know something about orange. Some information was given. The person who planted exactly one tree on day 3. So there would be a person who would be planting just one tree on day 3, and that particular person has planted orange trees on each of the first 2 days. Now who could be that person? Now a person planting just one tree on day 3 could either be Ashish, or it could be either Dinesh, or it could be Ekant, or it could be Farhan. Now what is the condition? That this person who is planting one tree of orange on day 3 would also be planting the same tree on first 2 days. Now it cannot be Ashish, because we know that this particular person has to be Ashish. Okay, so this case is gone. Now let's check for Dinesh. Can Dinesh be a particular person or not? Now if you look into Dinesh, so Dinesh, but we know that Dinesh is already planting mango on day 1. So I cannot put Dinesh over here, or this person cannot be Dinesh, because if this is Dinesh, this has to be Dinesh, and that is not possible. So this case is also eliminated. Now Ekant and Farhan. So let's see if this is Ekant is possible or not. So if this person is Ekant, so on day 2 he'll also plant orange tree. This is possible. On day 1, 2, so this is again possible. So this case is possible. Let's see for Farhan. So Farhan, if this person is Farhan, so he has to plant 2 trees on day 2, but that is not possible because the limit itself is just of 1. So definitely this is not Farhan, so this has to be Ekant. So we know that which particular person, sorry, this was C, so this particular person was E, and this is E, and this is also E. Now again, if you look into day 3 for Bobby, which is planting 2 trees, so Bobby has to come just at this place, that is 2. Now how to go about it? Let's see this. So now for Dinesh, if we are looking into day 2, So Dinesh cannot come over here. So there are just two possibilities for Dinesh, either over here or over here. Now let's suppose Dinesh is over here. When Dinesh is over here, that is guava, 2 trees, one of the trees, because Dinesh is just planting one tree. So if Dinesh is over here, then the only place for Farhan to come is over here, right? Farhan will have to come over here because Farhan is planting 2 trees, and only place Farhan can come over here. Now we know that exactly 2 out of A, D, F will be planting the same tree. So there is a possibility that A can plant the same tree, but F cannot plant the same tree, right? Neither can D plant the same tree. So D cannot come over here. So a little hit and trial. Okay, when D cannot come over here, so we have a fixed position for D, right? Now out of this exactly 2. So what are the pairs possible? The pairs are AD, DF or AF, right? These are the possible pair having the same type of trees being planted on all the 3 days. So let's take this case AF. So A and F planting the same trees. So let me change the ink. So this would be A, right? And this will not be D because we are taking this case of AF. So D would have to come over here. Now only position for F to come is over here, right? But again, I cannot fulfill this possible case that A and F having the same, planting the same tree on all the 3 days. So AF case can be eliminated, right? Similarly, let's say DF. So D and F. So D would have to be over here, right? Now when D has to be over here, A cannot be over here because we are taking the case of DF. So A would be over here. Now when A is here, A have to be over here. And again, the whole case of DF planting the same tree on all the 3 days is not possible. So we are just left with one case, that is A and D. So it means that A would be planting the same tree and D would be planting the same tree. Then F would come over here, the only possible place for F. Now if you look into this row of day 2, F could possibly come over here or over here, right? And many other cases. So as of now we can stop and try to answer the question. Who planted orange trees on all the 3 days? We know that it was E, that is Ekant. Now question 2 says, for how many friends can the number of trees planted on each type can be determined uniquely on all the 3 days? So I can see that for E I know, for D I know, for A I know. So 3%, that is fixed. The number of apple trees planted by Chetan on day 1 could be Chetan on day 1. So how many trees Chetan is planting? 2 trees, right? And number of apple trees. So either Chetan does not come at this place at all, Chetan comes over here, right? Or Chetan comes over here, or Chetan takes both these 2 trees. So either A or C. Question 4, who planted 4 orange trees over the period of 3 days? We know that E is planting 4 orange trees, and also C, that is Chetan, is definitely planting the 4 orange trees on these days. So both A and C is the correct answer. So this is simple. We do not need to completely fill all the information or even try to find all the possible cases, because whatever the fixed case that we have, we can answer all the questions. Thank you.